Hi, this is Module 2.2, Like and Unlike Terms. So in the first module in Section 2, we talked about algebraic expressions, what they were, defining constant and a term and a coefficient, and now we want to take that one step further and define like and unlike terms when we're dealing with algebraic expressions. So when you have algebraic expressions and I want to look to simplify them and combine them using adding and subtracting, when I do this, I'm looking for variables that have the same exponent as well as the letters. So I could add a 2a to a 5a because they both have the same letter and that letter has the same exponent. So example 2, 5a and 3a. Those are both like terms because they both have a to the first power. Also, if I had 4a squared and negative 8a squared, those are the same because they both have an a and that a is raised to the second power. When we talk about unlike terms could be the number 2 and the number 5a. It could also be 5a and 5b. They're not the same variable, so therefore you cannot put them together using add, subtract. Also, if you have 5a and 4a squared, one of them has a to the first, one of them has a to the second, and therefore they are unlike terms. So let's recap that. In order to add or subtract combine like terms, you have to have the same variable, and those variables also have to have the same exponent. Now, we're going to do some practice adding and subtracting those like terms.